Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to private friend list on Facebook. Currently I'm heading over to my Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into a desired account. And then head over to the three lines on the top right. And then head over to your settings option on the top right. Once you're there, scroll down and go to content preferences, or here there's an option of how people can find and contact you in audience and visibility section. So head over there. Now here you will find that who can see your friend list. Head over there. Now as you can see, I have made it only me. So if you have it public or friends accept or friends specific friends. So if you want to make it private, just change it to only me and save. So yeah, this is how you can just private your friend list on Facebook, as no one can see your friend list. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.